50 iPhone tips, tricks and hacks that every iPhone user must know. Let's begin. Did you know you can swipe down with two fingers from the top of your iPhone to read out all the content present on the screen? Whether it be bullet points in the Notes app or an article in the Safari app. To enable it, go to the settings, accessibility, spoken text and turn on speak screen. You can even select how the voice should sound like by going to voices to preview them. You can even increase the speed of the speech while it's being spoken. We all know that we can add timer shortcut in the control center by enabling it in the controls menu. But if you tap and hold the icon, you can set the timer ranging from 1 minute to 2 hours instantly without opening the clock app. This tap and hold feature also applies to the flashlight button, which helps you to increase and decrease the light intensity of the flashlight. Instead of pressing power and volume up button to take screenshots on your iPhone, you can just double tap on the back of your iPhone to do it. You can enable it by going to settings, accessibility, touch, back tap, and under double tap setting, you can select screenshot option. You can even triple tap to trigger different commands. For example, I have selected camera app. You can even run shortcuts which you have created in the shortcuts app using this back tap feature. Did you know after you take a screenshot, you can hold and tap on it to rename the file instantly and share it with others via messages, mail, WhatsApp, etc. from the drop-down menu. If you take a screenshot in the Safari app, you can generate the entire website page, scroll down to the bottom and share it as a PDF with others using the drop-down menu. Speaking of Safari app, you can switch between pages just by swiping the tabs below. And if there are multiple pages to swipe through, you can just pinch in to go to the tabs list and pinch out on the page which you want to open. Sometimes when you press a link in Safari, it opens the app related to the link. If you want to avoid app switching, you can tap on the link with two fingers to open it in a separate tab within the Safari app. Instead of pressing the tabs button below to manually cancel pages or swipe to remove pages, you can just hold the tabs button and drag up to close all tabs or close the current tab or create a brand new tab in private mode. You can copy and paste page links from the Safari app just by dragging the page tab and dropping to other apps such as iMessage, WhatsApp, Mail, Notes, etc. Speaking of notes, you can create a new note instantly by tapping the quick note button in the control center without opening the Notes app. To add it to the control center, go to settings, control center, then tap on add icon besides the quick note option. You can use text replacement feature to type out mail ID, address, credit number, etc. to save time and type faster. To create your custom text replacement, go to the settings, general, keyboard, text replacement and tap on add sign to type your frequently used phrases to replace with your custom short forms. Apple does not allow you to place cursor in between the words when you try to tap on it. It always places the cursor before or after the word. To freely move the cursor, you can hold the spacebar button to navigate the cursor anywhere in between words for making any correction. Did you know you can double tap on any unit of measurement on any app to look up and see its conversion in different unit measurements? If you create a new note in the Notes app, you can make your notes private by locking it with Face ID. But there is a catch. If you create a quick note using Control Center, you cannot lock it using Face ID. Sometimes iPhone just makes weird rules. Instead of closing apps one by one, you can use both the thumb fingers to swipe up and close apps faster. You can even use 3-finger swipe to do the same. I challenge you to try with 4 fingers. It's a bit tricky. I will let you try it by yourself, but I will show it at the end of the video. You can tap and hold any apps to see all the time-saving quick actions, like for example, holding settings app to go directly into Bluetooth settings instead of swiping down, then holding Bluetooth icon, then again holding Bluetooth, and then tapping on Bluetooth settings to open the Bluetooth settings. You can reduce 4 steps with just 1 step. Explore every app in your iPhone and you will find many more quick settings which you didn't even know before. You can copy and share Wi-Fi passwords with others by using Face ID to display the password of the Wi-Fi network which you are currently connected. While traveling, when you are occupied with baggage, you can tap and drag to zoom in and out of maps while searching locations with just one hand. This tap and drag feature also works in Google Maps app. When you share your flight number with your contacts in the iMessages app, the flight number gets automatically converted into a link, and with just one tap on it, you can keep track of flight details in real time. Did you know during traveling, while recording videos in the camera app, you can click pictures at the same time? If you like clicking lots of photos and shooting videos on your iPhone and your storage gets filled up quickly, to save space in your iPhone, the Photos app automatically detects media data to find duplicates so that you can preview them and delete them all at once with just one click. If you drop your iPhone in water or use to shoot footages near beach or pool, you can go to fixmyspeakers.com to clear the water from the speakers area. Many people have the misunderstanding that your iPhones are waterproof. Well, that's not the case. It's water resistant. So if in case there is water damage in your iPhone, it won't be covered under warranty. So it's better to be safe than spending more dollars on your repairs. If you come across any music played in your surroundings and want to know the name of the song instantly without googling it with random assumptions, you can use Shazam shortcut in the control center to get the details in real time. To enable it, go to the settings, control center, and tap on plus sign besides music recognition menu, and the Shazam icon will be added in the control center. If you want to extend your iPhone battery and get the most out of it, you can automatically activate low power mode when battery drops to certain percentage using automation shortcut. To enable it, go to the inbuilt shortcuts app, then tap on automation and tap the plus sign to create personal automation. Then scroll down and tap on battery level. Adjust the slider to make the battery percentage to make the change. For example, I choose equals 30%. Tap on next and then tap on add action tab. Search for set low power mode. Select it and tap on next. Disable ask before running, tap don't ask and then tap on done, and your low power mode automation is created. You can even create automation to activate focus mode when you reach your office space by using Wi-Fi network or current location using shortcuts app. For location automation, you can choose arrive menu and add your office location, or if you want to use office Wi-Fi network, you can choose Wi-Fi menu and select office Wi-Fi network to create the automation to add focus mode. If you receive lots of notification on your iPhone and want to reduce screen time and distractions, you can schedule notifications at specific time of the day set by you and allow specific apps notification to come through in real time related to your work. To enable it, go to the settings, notifications and turn on schedule summary to set the time of the day to receive notification summary. You can even add multiple timestamps, and to select the apps, scroll through the list below to receive the notification at selected time. The notifications of remaining apps will be received in real time. You can even silence unknown callers to avoid spam calls. To enable it, go to the settings, phone and turn on silence unknown callers. You can also view the silence callers in the recent section of the phone's app later. Speaking of phone app, you can type the dial button in the keypad section of your phone app to bring up the recently dialed number. You can do simple calculation directly in the Spotlight search without opening the calculator app. And when you are specifically using the calculator app for multiple calculations and make a mistake while typing numbers, you can swipe left or right to delete a digit one by one instead of deleting the entire number altogether. Did you know you can shuffle your iPhone wallpaper just by tapping on it? You can even set it to change by hourly or daily basis. To enable it, go to the settings, wallpaper and tap on add new wallpaper. Then tap on photo shuffle and select photos manually. You can even select any photo albums which you have created and tap on add. Then tap on 3 dots on the bottom right and select the shuffle frequency of your choice and hit done. You can set different wallpapers for different focus modes, and the focus mode will change according to the set wallpaper. You can enable dark mode to give your iPhone a different look and even save battery usage in the latest iPhones having AMOLED displays. You can even schedule light and dark mode depending on time of the day, or automatically enable light mode during daytime and dark mode at sunset to reduce the blue light, maintaining your body sleep cycle. To enable it, go to the settings, display and brightness and turn on automatic toggle. You can select sunrise to sunset or select custom timings for light and dark mode. You can use Face ID to install apps in App Store instead of typing password every time you install new apps. To enable it, go to the settings, Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and turn on iTunes and App Store toggle. Did you know that if you press power button 3 times and hit cancel, Face ID unlock for your iPhone will be disabled and it can only be unlocked by using passcode. It might come handy in certain situations. To enable it, go to the settings, emergency SOS and turn on call with 3 button presses. Did you know that during FaceTime video calls, you can fake eye contact to the screen without looking at the iPhone? To enable it, go to the settings, FaceTime and turn on eye contact toggle. You can even enable live captions during FaceTime in real-time conversations or even any social media applications. To enable it, go to the settings, accessibility, scroll down and turn on live captions. On certain vehicles, you can even use your iPhone as your digital car key via Apple Wallet and even share your car key with your contacts. You can use ambient background noise such as stream, rain, ocean, etc. to fall asleep or even use it to meditate. To enable it, go to the settings, accessibility, audio/visual, turn on background sounds and select the sound of your choice. If you are wearing AirPods or headphones and listening to your favorite music at high volume and your home's doorbell sound gets ignored, by turning on accessibility sound recognition feature in settings, your iPhone can detect such sounds and notify you on your iPhone instantly. You can ask Siri to open any apps when your hands are occupied. You can even ask Siri to play songs while you're driving. You can ask Siri to find your devices like your AirPods, iPads, etc. using Find My command. You can share anything on your iPhone screen with your contacts using iMessage or WhatsApp by asking Siri using the Share With command. You can even ask Siri for top news of the day from your preferred news channel. You can ask Siri to speak articles from Safari for you using the Speak Screen command. You can even ask Siri to take you home if you have added your home address in your contact card. And for those who watched the video till the end, I had challenged you to use 4-finger swipe to close apps in tip number 17. Here's how you can do it. Swipe up with 3 fingers first, and when you swipe up a bit, you can use your thumb to swipe the 4th one. Tap here for more iPhone Tech Perks by Pratik. See you over there.